a place to go in times of crisis. So they're pushing to build a homeless youth shelter. WSBT 22's Patrick Roth spoke to some of those people today, for building this, and he joins us at the live desk right now. Patrick, right now, young homeless people in Elkhart don't have many places to go.
Yeah, Jennifer, right now you have to be 18 or staying with an adult stay overnight at a homeless shelter in Elkhart County. But some people think there are as many as 200 homeless teens on the streets right now. And in St. Joseph County, there are places that at-risk teens can go. Now, these aren't necessarily shelters. They're what's called safe places, and they're there to help connect teens with the help that they need. And that's something that the Youth Service Bureau and a couple of other groups are working to bring to Elkhart. But they also want to see shelters. They point out that over the winter, a 16-year-old runaway froze to death in an abandoned home, and they don't want to see any more teens dying because they have no place to go.
One is too many, and the youth is our future, and Elkhart needs to have a heart and care about our youth, and at least provide some safe place for them to stay.
Now, a meeting is scheduled for July 15th at the Salvation Army in Elkhart to get community input on how to get a shelter up and running. Now, the National Coalition for Homeless found that the longer teens stay out on the street, the more at risk they are. So getting these teens off the street and into some safe place is hugely important. At the live desk, Patrick Roth, WSBT 22 News.
Elkhart is moving.